Hello everyone, welcome to the free market update here for tomorrow's trade. It's going to be the last trading day of February. And there's enough going on tomorrow, I think, to make, a difference. I mean, there's a lot of news this week, a lot. And it really kind of starts tomorrow. There was nothing much to speak of today. The range was kind of tight. The trade was quiet, today, that kind of thing. But tomorrow, it starts off early, and there's a lot on the calendar. I mean, there's a Chicago PMI. That's actually a subscriber number, so be careful with that. You see on your calendar, it says it's at 8:45 in the morning Central Time, but it's actually a couple minutes earlier than that for the subscribers. Then there's some consumer confidence and all kind of stuff. And then we get down to Trump tomorrow night. And so we could actually see some volatility tomorrow in products like the dollar and the euro and gold and maybe the treasuries and that kind of thing. So just, be aware of that. As far as the stocks here, we kind of normally touch on this, for the free video. As far as the stocks here, there's about a 22, so we'll just basically call it 20 to 25 point move priced in this week in anticipated, kind of range. There is a voodoo snow right up here at 2370. It's like 3, I think, or something. Just basically try to remember 2375. It's close enough. It's right in there. And for a couple of reasons, there's a 5-bar trailing stop, plus not last week but the week before, the point of control was down here at like 2341, 42. So I would say that on the downside, it's actually the expected move as well. We call it anything. A pullback is okay as long as it doesn't come back below, we'll call it 2340, okay? So uptick 2375, downtick is okay. It's just back and fill in the way I'm looking at it, at least, as long as it holds like a 2340 print on the way back on a pullback. We had a real tight kind of range here today, so we didn't get much, but that would be anticipated, actually. I mean, it truly would be with a non-event kind of a day in anticipation of an eventful day like tomorrow. Then what are you going to do today? You're not going to put on a lot of new risk in the face of highly anticipated volatility, starting tomorrow. And actually, the calendar's pretty full throughout the remainder of the week. On into yelling on Friday, right? So we've got news tomorrow, Trump tomorrow night, last trading day of the month tomorrow, news for the remainder of the week. You got a lot going on. Be careful, don't get started too heavily too early this week and sort of get your week off, on a bad footing. Just kind of take it easy. Those are the levels I've got. Kind of need to, we got a few things going on that we need to touch on in the premium video. You got a rollover sequence in the treasuries. You got interesting day in gold, and a few other things actually too, like the grain. So I'm gonna hop over there and do that. Wish everybody here good trading, nice evening. Look forward to being with you again at the next update. Till then, good night.